Happening now, the Michigan Supreme Court reviewing a request for appeal from a Dearborn Heights man convicted of a high-profile murder.
Back in 2013, Theodore Wafer shot and killed 19-year-old Renisha McBride in Dearborn Heights.
Simon Shaquette live in our satellite center with critical testimony from today's hearing. Simon.
Glenda, Stephen, many of us remember this case as it involved Wafer shooting and killing McBride through a front door. Today, in his last attempt at an appeal, Wafer's attorney pleading for another chance in court for her client.
Is at least in the process of breaking and entering.
An attorney for convicted murderer Theodore Wafer laying out a case for a new trial today before the Michigan Supreme Court. Wafer gunned down Renisha McBride on his front porch in 2013 after she had crashed her car drinking and driving and came to ask for help.
He was, under the law, allowed, since he didn't see her, didn't know that, he was allowed to assume that someone was trying to come in to kill him.
During his trial, a judge previously ruled there was not enough evidence to prove 58-year-old Wafer feared for his life. He's now serving a 17-year prison sentence for second-degree murder.
He's allowed to assume that the person trying to break into the house is capable of harming him and killing him. So the prosecutor should have to show more in the sense that had he looked out the window and seen that it was a Girl Scout or Miss McBride unarmed, that would be that could be beyond the presumption.
Based on what they heard, the Supreme Court will decide if jury instructions violated Wafer's rights. During his trial, the judge had told the jury about self-defense laws. However, Wafer maintains he thought someone was breaking in, which is not exactly the same.
With some more questions from the Supreme Court justices, a ruling could come in the next few weeks or perhaps even months. Reporting live, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News. Back to you.